As you can see, the four black connector pieces are connected to the poles with the narrow ends at the end here, as you can see. It makes it a little bit easier. I pack it that way, so when you get to the store, you just connect the four attaching pieces. You could apply at that time the curved adjustable poles, and then you connect the banner. It's optional to connect the canopy. That is an option. I would recommend that. It is definitely, the canopy is definitely an option. So, and then it all goes safely, neatly packed away into your carry-all case.